Happy Monday and welcome to our Share Fantastic Offers. We have a treat for you. Thinking about cruising? Not quite sure if 2025 it will happen for you? That's all right. We have got a steal of a deal for you with the Norwegian Escape November 2026 offer. Yes, indeed. You heard right, and you are absolutely going to love this one. And you see, we have made it so very special so that you can plan towards it, you can pay towards it, you can actually purchase a cruise first certificate which offers a matching payment from Norwegian towards your cruise. Ever heard about that? Oh, yes. This is the little secret that I've been sharing with just my clients. Because you see, in everything, there are tricks in trade. And right here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we know how to get the excitement going right. And our cruise first certificates can be 150 US dollars or it can be 250 US dollars based on the promotion that is running. It's simply this: with a reduced deposit of $250 per cruise running right now for cruises booked anytime while the promotion is on, even if you're sailing 2026 or even 2027, you have the opportunity to purchase a cruise fare certificate for $150. Norwegian will match that by their own $150, making it $300. And once that is credited to you, I simply apply it to your sailing, and voila, you are fully deposited on that 250 with change left over to continue making payment on your sailing. Anything that good will not stay long, so you know you need to capitalize on it. Now, occasionally, they have a pop up extra sweetness, and that is when they offer the cruise next, or better said, the cruise first. Cruise next is an offer that we'll talk about once you're booked, but your cruise first on occasion has an offer of $250 as the deposit amount. When you purchase at that price, they match it for the full face value of $250, making your deposit all of $500. Yes, you heard me right. You pay $250, we credit you $500. Win-win value proposition, isn't it? So, yeah, let me tell you what you'll expect when we do this particular sailing. You are gonna love it. We are departing Port Canaveral, which is in the Orlando area. And remember to ask about our pre and post cruise nights because we also have those set just for you. Our departure date is November 13th. This is a 7 night sailing, returning Port Canaveral the 20th of November 2026. And of course, we have all the cabin categories just for your liking. You can choose from a mini suite, a balcony. We've got different locations and different types of balconies, or an interior. With the breakaway class ships, which the Escape is one of them, there is a limited amount of ocean views. So if that's what you have in mind, you will need to ask for it at the time of booking. If it's available, we will pull it into the group. But the prices are so awe-inspiring that you might not even want to go for that ocean view. Treat yourself to a balcony. Step out, allow the breeze to whisk through your hair, and just live. Yeah. Oh my, I'm getting carried away already. So, our staterooms are secure and they're waiting for you. The question is, where are we going? We leave on the 13th of November and we leave from Orlando, from Port Canaveral. We have a sea day right away. Our first stop is in Puerto Plata in La República Dominicana. You know me and La República Dominicana. Yeah, wonderful day in Puerto Plata. Then our next day, we are on to St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, then on to Tortola. We have a day at sea, and it is private island time, guys. Great Stirrup Key in the Bahamas is where we will make our final stop, and it is going to be a day of so much fun and activities. As a matter of fact, you can choose, do you want to disembark or do you want to stay on board and take advantage of a semi empty ship that you can have all to yourself? Choice is yours. On our final day, we return to Port Canaveral. And we will talk about all the excursions and the things that we can arrange for you there. So it's just non-stop activity. Remember, this is a Norwegian Escape. We are sailing from Port Canaveral November 13th through 20th, 2026. Our cruise first certificates are available. Payment plan interest free is available, and you know where to book and where to look. It's Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.